Sceptre monitors are popular budget-friendly options, but they come with a significant limitation: weak built-in audio. Understanding this problem and knowing quick software fixes can dramatically improve your audio experience without spending money. The core issue is technical. Most Sceptre monitors feature only 2 to 3 watts per channel of speaker power. This low wattage, combined with the thin monitor design that restricts speaker size, results in audio that's often too quiet for comfortable use. Before buying external speakers, try these free software solutions. The first and most effective is Windows Loudness Equalization, which can increase perceived volume by 15 to 20% by optimizing audio levels based on human hearing characteristics. The second solution involves your monitor's built-in settings. Access your monitor's on-screen display menu, usually through buttons on the monitor itself. Look for audio settings where you can adjust volume from 0 to 100 and explore different audio modes like standard, music, or movie for optimized sound profiles. These software optimizations are your first line of defense against weak Sceptre monitor audio. They're completely free, take just a few minutes to implement, and can provide noticeable improvements. Try both Windows Loudness Equalization and your monitor's OSD settings before considering hardware upgrades. When software adjustments aren't enough to boost your Sceptre monitor's audio, external speakers provide the most effective solution. These bypass the built-in limitations entirely, delivering significantly better sound quality and volume. USB-powered desktop speakers are the most popular choice for monitor audio enhancement. These compact speakers typically cost between $20 and $50 and can provide a 3 to 5 times volume increase over built-in monitor speakers. Compact soundbars offer another excellent solution, specifically designed for monitor setups. These provide wider stereo separation and often include dedicated controls for easy volume adjustment. For wireless convenience, Bluetooth speakers offer flexibility and portability. Gaming-focused speakers with RGB lighting provide both enhanced audio and visual appeal for gaming setups. When choosing external speakers, power specifications matter significantly. Aim for at least 6 watts RMS per channel for a noticeable improvement, or 10 to 15 watts RMS for significant enhancement over built-in monitor audio. External speakers completely bypass the physical and electrical limitations of built-in monitor audio. This provides not only increased volume, but also better frequency response, clearer sound quality, and the flexibility to position speakers for optimal listening.